Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining what success looks like. List 2-3 measurable performance gaps tied to business goals. Once done, gather stakeholders, managers, HR, and a sample of learners, and request performance data and job descriptions. Make sure to set a realistic timeline and budget now so evaluation criteria align later. You should also choose basic metrics like competence scores, error rates, and completion time. These will drive the next steps and prevent vague training solutions. You next collect evidence, run short surveys, conduct focused interviews, and observe key tasks. Add a quick competency test where possible. As you analyze, map each task to the skills required and compare with current proficiency. Once patterns emerge, prioritize training needs by business impact, frequency of the task, and feasibility within budget. Make sure to separate knowledge gaps from systemic issues like process or tools, so you avoid training that won't fix the real problem. You finalize by designing targeted interventions. Pick formats that match the skill and audience, micro-learning for quick skills, coaching for behavior change. Once designed, pilot with a representative group and collect qualitative and quantitative feedback plus performance measures. After the pilot, compare outcomes to your baseline metrics and decide whether to iterate or scale. If results lag, check adoption barriers first, access, manager support, or incentives, because fixing those is often the fastest route to improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.